Hello class 7. Welcome to Ideal Classroom. This video has been specially made to cover exercise 2.4 of our NCERT book. So let's begin. Before starting the exercise, here are some points to remember. Introduction to fractions. A fraction represents a part of the whole or, more generally, any number of equal parts. When an object or a group of objects is divided into equal parts, then each individual part is a fraction. For example, 1/2, 8/5, etc. The denominator represents the total number of equal parts into which the whole is divided. The numerator is the number of equal parts that are taken out. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. A fraction with a numerator that is greater than the denominator is known as an improper fraction. A fraction with a numerator that is less than or equal to the denominator is known as a proper fraction. Question number 1, find. First part, 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So first of all, we have to follow some steps here to find the answer of 12 divided by 3 upon 4. We do first step. The first step is we have to change this sign. Here we have division sign. It will become multiplication sign. So this fraction will reciprocal here. So 12, we have division sign. It will become multiplication here. 3 by 4 we have. It will become 4 upon 3. Here. This is first step. Second, 12 into 4 by 3. Now, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. We got 4 into 4. 4 into 4. And after multiplying, we get 16. Answer. Second part. 14 divided by 5 upon 6. The same procedure here. 14. Multiplication sign here. And we have to reciprocal this number. So 5 upon 6 will become 6 upon 5. But we have to change this sign. So division sign, it will become multiplication sign. 5 upon 6 will become 6 upon 5. So 14 into 6 upon 5. We have to multiply 14 with 6. So 84 upon 5. Answer. Third part. 8 divided by 7 upon 3. The same, we have to follow the same rule. Now 8 into 3 upon 7. So 8 3 is 24 and 7 here. Answer. Fourth part. 4 divided by 8 upon 3. So 4 into 3 upon 8. Now 4 into 3 upon 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 1 into 3, 3 upon 2. Answer. Fifth part. 3 divided by 2 and 1 by 3. So we have already learned how to change this mixed number or mixed fraction into improper fraction. So we have to multiply 3 with 2. After that we have to add 1. It means 3 2s are 6, 6 and 1, 7. So 3 divided by 7 upon 3. Now 3 into 3 upon 7. So 3 into 3, 9 upon 7. Answer. Sixth part. 5 divided by 3 and 4 by 7. So this is a mixed fraction. We have to convert it into improper fraction. So 5 divided by 7 is 21. 21 and 4, 25. 25 upon 7. Now 5 multiply 7 upon 25. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Answer is 7 upon 5. Question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals as proper fractions, improper fractions and whole numbers. Second part. 5 upon 8. So reciprocal of 5 upon 8. 8 upon 5. And here numerator is greater than denominator. So 8 upon 5 is an improper fraction. Answer. Third part, 9 by 7. So reciprocal of 9 by 7. 7 by 9. Now here numerator is less than denominator and this is a proper fraction. So 7 by 9 is a proper fraction. Answer. Fourth part, 6 upon 5. So reciprocal of 6 by 5 is here 5 by 6 and 5 by 6 is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. So 5 by 6 is a proper fraction. Answer. Fifth, 12 upon 7. Now reciprocal of 12 by 7. 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 is also a proper fraction. So 7 by 12 is a proper fraction. Answer. Sixth part, 1 upon 8. So reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1 and 8 by 1 is 8 by 1 is equal to 8 and 8 is whole number. Answer. Seventh part, 1 upon 11. Reciprocal of 1 by 11. This will become 11 by 1 and 11 by 1 is equal to 11 and 11 is a whole number. Answer. Question number 3, find. The first part is 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So first we will change this sign. It will become multiplication sign. 7 upon 3 multiply and this number will reciprocal. So this is 2 by 1 here, only 2, it means 2 by 1. So it will become 1 by 2. So 7 into 1, 3 into 2. It means 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6. Answer. Second part, 4 by 9 divided by 5. So here 4 by 9 multiplication sign, 5 by 1 it will become 1 upon 5. So 4 ones are here 4 and 9 fives are 45. Answer. Third part, 6 upon 13 divided by 7. So 6 upon 13 into 1 upon 7. Now 6 into 1 and 13 into 7. So 6 ones are 6 and 13 sevens are 91. Answer. Fourth part, 4 and 1 by 3 divided by 3. So this is a mixed fraction. First of all, we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 4s are 12, 12 and 1, 13. So 13 upon 3 divided by 3. Now 13 by 3 into 1 by 3. So here 13 ones are 13 and 3 3s are 9. Answer. Fifth part, 3 and 1 by 2 divided by 4. So 2 3s are 6, 6 and 1 7. 7 upon 2 divided by 4. The next step is 7 by 2 multiply 4. 1 by 4. So 7 ones are 7 and 2 4s are 8. Answer. Sixth part, 4 and 3 by 7 divided by 7. So 7 4 is 28, 28 and 3 31. 31 upon 7. Multiply 1 upon 7. This is 31 into 1. 31 upon 7 sevens are 49. Answer. Question number 4, find. So first part, 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. The first step, 2 upon 5, sign will change, multiply, 1 upon 2 will become 2 upon 1. So 2 2s are 4 and 5 1s are 5. Answer. Second part, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So 4 by 9 multiply 3 by 2. Here 4 into 3 and 9 into 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. Answer. Third part, 3 upon 7 divided by 8 upon 7. So 3 by 7 into 7 upon 8. So 3 into 7 and 7 into 8. 7 and 7 cancel out. We get 3 1s are 3 and 1 into 8, 8. Answer. Fourth part, 2 and 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. So this is a mixed fraction. 3 to the 6, 6 and 1, 7. 7 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 5. So 7 upon 3 multiply here and 5 upon 3. So 7 5s are 35 and 3 3s are 9. Answer. Sixth part, 2 by 5 divided by 1 and 1 upon 2. So 2 upon 5 divided by 2 1s are 2, 2 and 1, 3. 3 upon 2. The first step, 2 upon 5 multiply 3 by 2 will be reciprocal here. So 2 upon 3. Now 2 2s are 4 and 5 3s are 15. Answer. Seventh part, 3 and 1 upon 5 divided by 1 and 2 upon 3. So here both numbers are mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15, 15 and 1, 16. 16 upon 5 divided by 3 1s are 3, 3 and 2, 5. 5 upon 3. Now 16 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 5. So 16 into 3 and 5 into 5. 48 upon 25. Answer. 8. 2 and 1 upon 5 divided by 1 and 1 upon 5. So 5 2s are 10, 10 and 1, 11. 11 upon 5 divided by 5 1s are 5, 5 and 1, 6. 6 upon 5. 11 upon 5 into 5 upon 6. So 11 into 5 and 5 into 6. 5 5 cancel out. We have 11 upon 6. Answer. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.